What up, guys? I'm a plant repair tech from Trinidad and Tobago, and Fix Offling is me. So, yeah, that kind of bubbly. Today is Manual Mondays. So, for Manual Mondays, we're going to give you guys a tip on microwaves. So, the tip is always cover your food with the there's a food covering that sells at different haberdashery stores. Reason for that is two reasons. One is that it keeps the food, like meat tend to explode and pop and stuff like that, and it sends food all over the microwave, which is a messy clean. To some degree, sometimes it go up on top and it stick there and we don't notice it. I am saying this from my experience of doing repairs on microwaves, that I see a lot of stuff up there. Secondly, remember, food is heated, so the hot air with the moisture, the water vapor will rise and hit the top of the microwave. There's not a lot of air movement in there, so it's not to say like it will be pulled out like if it's some a range hood or something. What's going to happen is that moisture and everything is going to stay to the top of the microwave, and it's going to cause that area there to rust. So if you want to know how bad it is with yours, open the microwave, look up on top and see what's happening. You will see the microwave, every time you see the paint starting to swell, it would start to flake. Around the edges will start to flake because too much moisture is staying in the microwave when you hot up stuff. If it's with the cover now, it's going to stay in the cover, and you can take out the cover and wipe it, right? Or you can rinse it out, wash it, whatever you want to do, and you can put it back in. Alright guys, so this is your Manual Monday tech tip.